Hello everyone, so this is the tutorial how to add blocks as a manager. So before doing this I watched previous videos. So first of all we need to turn editing on. After we've done this, so on the left side we can see that we already have some blocks like navigation, comments, online users, avatar, people, participants, activities, QR code, checklist, and add blocks. So we need this area add. So I really like to add the calendar because it shows you, for example, how many lessons left or days before ending the course or what you're gonna do. So calendar is a very useful thing. Also, I really like clock because if you have students from different countries and maybe if you're teaching online, so it's very useful to see what time is it in your site and in the system as well. So when you put, for example, some information to complete some task up until afternoon these days, so just to make sure that you mention which day is it. Okay, so also what I want to play with is the competition progress. We could see before from the student side, but when we have a manager's rights, so here we see completion progress. So for the moment there are no activities or something completed. So but let's go to the menu. Here we can see how we can order bar by the completed on date or during course. So how to present long bars, quiz, I think quiz is better. And icons, like green one is completed, the red one is not completed. So let's use these icons. So you can visualize your progress and show percentage to students. Really don't need it. Where this block appears, you can also choose from the right side, from the left side, at the bottom. I used before the left side. I don't know, but it didn't work, so let's leave it like this, and let's see the changes. So let's double check from the right side. Completion progress. Here it goes. But for the moment there is nothing because nothing is completed. So, but if somebody would be completed, you can see the bar, this ticked point green if something is completed. Okay, so to delete this, we need to press this circle and delete completion progress block. Let's delete it for now. After deleting any blocks, you usually get this little window which is asking you to confirm. Are you sure that you want to delete this or that block? Yes, I'm sure, so I press yes. And let's go to the one more thing. So, also I really like pages. It gives the motivation to the students if they completed something. So, and let's click on it. Alright, now we need to double check. Where are our pages? Latest pages. You have no pages to display for the moment. Actions menu. Let's see. So, block settings. Number of the latest pages to display 10. You can choose any number. For example, I will choose 5. Where this block will appear from the right, left side. Alright, so if everything is clear for you and you agreed, you can save the changes. Alright, then let's check again from the right side the information about our badges. Here we go. You have no badges to display. Okay, so I need to delete it unfortunately for now. Delete latest badges block. We press it. Again this window. Are you sure you want to delete this block? Yes, I am sure. We press yes. So here we go. So everything is the same for now. And don't forget to click turn editing off. Press on it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice evening.